Right, we're continuing with this wall. G'day everyone, it's Chris O. We're continuing with this wall. That one there, I'd already put glue on it, and then I noticed the corner was chipped off, so I've just put it at the end there. I'll cut it off with the grinder later when I get there. The owner's son is giving me a hand. He's taking off all the wax on that wall, the transportation wax, so they don't break in transit. Like I was saying before, people, you can choose whether you want to put glue on your tile or your wall. I only put it on the tile and then the wall because I don't like glue going off. I'm in too warm a climate. With those subways there, I had no choice, but I only notched about 4 rows high each time, put them up and then started my next 4. I never combed my glue out so it was like that high, because by the time I would have got up there it would have been dry and the glue would have been skinned. And it would be even worse if you're a DIY beginner, because you'd be slower. I have had a comment, is this way slower? I reckon it's faster. And you have less mess on your floor. A lot of times you go by feel. I'm all the time feeling like I'm feeling my ends there to make sure that they were flush. And then your home and hose. Just clip it up. This is a real bathroom, not a mocked up bathroom in a garage. It's a real bathroom, and what you're seeing is real, and I'm a real tiler. Not some hobbyist that's trying to show you how to do it. Alright people, I've got to get some more tiles, mix up some more glue, so I'll come back to you shortly. Stay tuned. This is Chris O's channel. Have fun. See ya.